Hey, what's up YouTube? My name's Sterling, aka Boyblk, and today we're gonna be taking a look at the mouse that destroyed the Doom Eternal speedrunning community. What mouse is that, you may be asking? Well, it's actually the Logitech G502 Hero. This is an amazing mouse, and if you guys want to figure out just exactly how this small mouse destroyed the Doom Eternal speedrunning community, stay tuned to the end of the video. But until then, let's jump right into the review. So right away, when you open the Logitech G502 mouse box, you're gonna get a couple of things. First of all, you're gonna get the mouse, obviously, hopefully. If you open the box and you don't get the mouse, I don't know what to tell you, something's wrong. Also, it's gonna come with this awesome Logitech sticker. I still don't know where I'm gonna put this. I was thinking about putting it on my laptop, but personally for me, I wish that they had just made the G and not made such a large sticker, because now I'm having a lot of trouble deciding where I want to put this, but I'm sure I'll find somewhere to put this, right? And you're also gonna get one of the unique features with the Logitech G502 mouse. You're gonna get this really cool weight system. Now, as you guys can see here, you just flip open this thing right here, and it's gonna come with these really cool weights that go inside of the mouse and allows you to obviously adjust the weight for the mouse itself. Now, this mouse's price point is actually divine. It's gonna set you back about $50, but originally this mouse was an $80 mouse. And like I said, the price point for this mouse is amazing, just based off of the stats that you're gonna get off of this Logitech G502 Hero. We might as well just go ahead and jump into the stats for this actual mouse. Now, I don't have this memorized, so I have it over here on my laptop. But this mouse is gonna have a 25,600 DPI, which is honestly top of the line DPI for any gaming mouse. And this also has a feature, this right here is actually called the sniper button. We'll get into all of the 12 programmable buttons here in a little bit later on in the video, but I just want to talk about this right now since we are speaking about the DPI of this mouse. So this button right here is actually called the sniper button, and this button allows you, whenever you click it, it allows you to set the DPI to the lowest setting that you have it. You will get these three lights right here on the side do light up, and whenever you click the sniper button, it will set it to the lowest DPI that you have set via the G-Hub program, which is also the program that allows you to adjust the two LED spots on the mouse itself. This mouse also has over 400 IPS, which is amazing. Like I said, you guys, you're getting was it 25,600 DPI and over 400 IPS on this mouse for a price range of $50. You guys, it just makes it such a competitive mouse and such a great mouse even in 2021. Next, I want to talk to you guys about this super cool weight system that comes with the G502 Hero. Now, each one of these weights is exactly 3.6 grams. And like I said, you can take off each individual weight and you can put them on the bottom to adjust the weights of the Logitech G502 Hero. Now, as you guys can see right here, it's very easy just to pop off this bottom piece and set in one of the weights right into the Logitech G502. And like I said, each one of these weights is 3.6 grams. So you can just go ahead and fit all of them in there if you want to really change up the dynamic of this mouse. And I can already feel the difference just by having two of those in here right now. Next, I want to talk about the 12 programmable buttons on the G502 Hero. Now, as you guys can see, these buttons are spread throughout this mouse, and honestly, some of them are very ergonomic. Like the three you have right here on the side, including the button I spoke about earlier, the sniper button, is really right there, right in your grip. So whenever you're in the game, hitting those buttons, it feels so natural, and you don't have to overextend your thumb or overextend a finger to get to those buttons, which for me in the heat of battle, when I'm down playing games and I'm like, you know what I'm saying, about to snipe, or I'm under a lot of pressure because the team's pushing up on me, it's very important not to have to worry about overextending till I get to where I need to be in order to take that kill. You know what I mean? Like I said before, there are the two LED parts of this mouse that really allow it to be customized to match your setup, whether it be like my setup, my red, blue, and black and orange going on, or whatever setup you may have. These buttons can be changed on the G-Hub application, or like the G-Hub software that you can download from Logitech's website. And you can also see that the DPI lights right here also light up. So these are going to be your two LED spots, your two primary spots for customization on this mouse. Other than those two light up areas, the mouse overall has a very nice, sleek, futuristic look. So I believe that with this matte black finish and the customizable LEDs on the mouse, it will definitely fit into any setup that you guys might have. Honestly, guys, I almost forgot. I forgot to tell you guys how the Logitech G502 Hero destroyed the Doom Eternal speedrunning community. That's crazy. I literally went over all the features and forgot the main point of the video. That's crazy, right? Well, don't worry, guys. I'm going to explain this right now, and it's actually very easy. So, in Doom Eternal, during the speedrunning community, about 24 hours after the release of the game, a hack, not a hack, but like a move was discovered where you could essentially keybind your jump to the scroll wheel, and with the scroll wheel, you know what I'm saying, you could do the jump, right? And this doesn't seem too crazy until you learn about the Logitech G502 has a free scroll wheel, and all you gotta do is click this button right here, and this wheel goes from this to this. Straight up Beyblade status. So whenever you take a jump keybind to a scroll wheel and you let it rip like a Beyblade, there's some crazy stuff that can happen. And actually, because of this find, the Doom Eternal speedrun was cut down to, I believe, either a half an hour or even less, which is insane because that game took me like, I don't even know how many hours to beat. So seeing someone go onto the computer, click this button, do this a couple of times, and finish the game in 30 minutes or less, honestly, it would destroy me too. So overall, I think the Logitech G502 Hero is an amazing gaming mouse. Honestly, you guys, if you are a player of FPS games like PUBG, like Valorant, anything like that, Call of Duty, you know what I'm saying? I know I got some Call of Duty fans out there. This is definitely a great mouse to pick up. And like I said, guys, the price point sitting at about $50 for the amount of quality and the level of mouse that you get is kind of unbeatable, you know? Logitech has hands down been one of my favorite providers for mouses in these past couple of years, whether it be the Logitech G502 Hero or the Logitech G600, which is another gaming mouse that I would love to do a review on for you guys. If you guys want to see me do a review on Logitech G600, let me know in the comments down below. In my opinion, this is the best FPS mouse, and this is the best mouse for MMO players like myself. I'm a big World of Warcraft player, so this G600 is what I use as my daily driver, but the G502 Hero is an amazing mouse whenever I'm picking up a game of Valorant or something like that with my buddies on Discord. But like I said, if you guys want to see me do a review on the G600, let me know in the comments down below. I would honestly love to, and it's one of my favorite mouses. I bought 2 of them already in the past couple of years, so I definitely have a lot to say about this mouse. But talking about the mouse at hand, the G502 Hero is a great mouse at a great price, and you get great quality out of this great mouse at a great price. Thank you guys so much for watching my review of the Logitech G502 Hero. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe to the channel down below. It definitely helps out a lot getting these videos pushed into the algorithm so more people can see these reviews. I'm Sterling, aka Boyblk, your stream tech wizard, and I hope to see you guys next time. Peace.